Hi everyone, in this video we will be covering standards-based grading, guidance for Skyward, and grading expectations. First, the expectation is to enter a minimum of 1 score per week. This score can be linked to 1 or more standards and 1 or more outcomes depending on your subject area and the way that you structure your class. Reporting out student scores is best practice as we don't want to have any students or parents wondering or being surprised when they see final grades. This can be as simple as just a quick check. So exit tickets, student conferences regarding where students are at this moment in time are just fine. This does not have to be a big test or quiz. It can be just a quick check-in. 3 to 4 grades should be entered per outcome over the entire grading period of your course. So over the semester or the year, depending on the length of your course. This will create the preponderance of evidence in one simple view. All students will be visible in a one-page, simple format, which should be a game changer and make it very easy to track where your students are at. As a reminder, the latter grades should be considered more heavily. If the student met the standard by the end, they should be considered proficient. Averages are not best in this system. Let's look at a quick example of how you can create an event in Skyward. Once you have entered your gradebook, the first thing you will need to do is go to the Events dropdown. Under the dropdown, click Add Event. On this page, you will begin by choosing a subject. This will align to the outcome that you are using for this assignment. Click on the Subject menu dropdown and select which outcome it is that you would like to use. Next, under the Skill menu, you will select the standard from the drop-down menu that applies to this assignment. The description is the title by which your assignment will appear in your gradebook. Add a quick description so that students and parents know exactly what it is that they are working on for this grade. Last, at the bottom of your screen, you will see a checklist of all of your different classes. Check the box for any class that you would like to assign this to. That will save you the step of going in and creating the event for multiple periods of the same class. For example, if I teach this class first hour and fourth hour, I could select both my first and fourth hour checkboxes before saving. If you would like to select multiple standards to assess on the same assignment, you can do so by selecting their checkboxes under the Skill Options section. For example, if I wanted to also assess Create on this assignment, I could select that checkbox. You will notice that one checkbox is grayed out, and that is because that is the one you selected under Skill above. The assignment will also be created for that standard in the gradebook. When you have finished, click the Save button in the upper right-hand corner. If you saved an event with multiple standards attached, it may take you to this screen. Just simply go to Teacher Access My Gradebook and select your gradebook to get right back to the screen to grade. If you assigned multiple standards, you will notice that it shows up under each one of the standards as an area to grade. Assigning a grade to one of these standards does not affect the grade for the others. For example, if my student achieved proficient in this category but advanced in another, I can grade this one proficient and grade that one advanced, and they will not impact each other's grade. Later, you might choose to view skills by event so that all of your assignments that are linked to a specific outcome are grouped together. To get back, simply click on Display Options, then View Event by Skill. If you have questions, reach out to one of your Learning Lab leaders, your principal, or Ruth Bardsath, Stacy Everson, or Carrie Huth.